Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wash chlorine out of hair. First, rinse your hair with clean, fresh water as soon as you exit the pool. This crucial step helps flush away a significant amount of chlorine before it can fully bind to your hair strands. Think of it as a pre-wash. Gently squeeze out any excess water from your hair, preparing it for the next cleansing steps. This simple action makes a big difference. Next, reach for a specialized clarifying or chelating shampoo. These products are formulated to break down and remove chlorine buildup effectively. Apply a generous amount, working it through your hair from roots to ends. Create a rich lather, ensuring every strand is covered. Allow the shampoo to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. This gives it time to work its magic. After thoroughly rinsing out the shampoo, it is time to restore essential moisture to your hair. Chlorine can be very drying, so a good conditioner is vital. Apply a rich, deep conditioner or a hydrating hair mask, concentrating on the mid-lengths and ends. These areas tend to suffer the most damage. Leave it on for at least 3 to 5 minutes to allow for maximum absorption. To prevent future chlorine damage, consider a few proactive steps. Before you even get into the pool, wet your hair with clean water. This helps it absorb less chlorinated water. Applying a leave-in conditioner or a light hair oil can also create a protective barrier. For maximum defense, wearing a swim cap is an excellent option, keeping your hair largely dry and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.